What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are out this morning. It's like 9:50. I'm gonna be slow today. I'm not feeling too hot today, but I'm trying to get some motivation. I'm watching the Brash Dasher. If you haven't seen him here on YouTube, he delivers like every single day on DoorDash and Uber Eats, so I'll link him down below. Trying to get some motivation, you know. I gotta watch some delivery videos to do that. And I'm having some McDonald's breakfast to try to bring me back to life. 2 seconds later, my sandwich is gonna have to wait because we just got an order at the McDonald's I'm sitting at, and it was I took a screenshot of it. It was like not even a full mile away. So we're gonna go pick this up. Oh my god. Picking up for Uber?
Okay, we want to check over.
Okay.
Is this it?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Alright, we are on the way. It's 0.4 miles. It's like literally right across the street in an apartment complex. Like, this is a good order. I was so thrown off when I walked in there because I haven't been in there in a while, and they like redid the whole inside, and the guy's like, is this your order? I'm like, are you supposed to ask me what the code is instead of, is this your order? Right? Like, it could have been anybody taking the food, but whatever. Yeah, it says units, which is always fun, but I think it'll be easy to find. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I dropped off that order, I finished my sandwich, I'm watching another video. It is so slow, and if you've seen my last video, I talked about the summer slowdown. It is here. I gave tips on how to beat it, how to still make money. One of them was to not work the off hours, and it's 10:20 now. I'm out here on the off hours. It just so happened like I was able to leave my house early, and I was like, let's just get out there and get it done before I just change my mind and I don't want to leave the house, you know. Sometimes it bees like that. But it's a slow time. I know this. I got both apps on, and I got one order that wasn't good, and I'm sitting. So take your own advice, Sarah, and don't come out during the non-peak hours. I mean, I'm not really like out here busting my ass for no money. I'm watching videos and eating, you know, doing my own thing over here. So not complaining, I'm just saying, like, take my advice. All right, $7, almost 5 miles, Krispy Kreme. We're doing it. I'm picking up an Uber for Willie.
Thank you. Hello.
Alright, we got the goods. I'm actually enjoying this. I mean, it is slow, but I'm enjoying, not like hustle bustle. Some days we just gotta...
On Porto Lake Road, then turn left on West Brandon Boulevard.
Some days we just gotta, you know, take it down a notch, maybe. Alright, this is a meet at door at a business. They gave me the business name, and it says, please give it to Bobby Joe. So Bobby Joe, I'm bringing you some donuts. These are for Bobby Joe from Willie.
Yeah, he's in.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
And another good one, 782, 2.1 miles, Jersey Mike's. I'm near this already. Let's go pick this one up. I was just showing off my new camera holder via Instagram. Down here, I'll insert a video. It works. It's so comfortable. I can just turn it on and go. I don't have to worry about holding the GoPro and, you know, getting my hands ready to grab the food too. It's easy. I like it. Hi.
Hi.
for Jason.
You got a GoPro on?
Yes.
What's that for?
Safety.
Do they make you do that now?
No. My choice.
That's like her police cam.
Yep.
It's pretty bad.
Y'all try anything?
Well, listen, shit's been happening to these people.
So yeah, because the
mean-
police department was talking about doing an app. So you would be able to do like a live app. So like,
Yeah.
you know how like you can hold down the SOS on your phone?
Yeah.
So now the sheriff's department's trying to come out with something where if you go to deliver like a pizza and somebody, you think something's happening, you can hit this button and it links you to a live deputy on the phone that sees what you see.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, wow.
So if you
that would be nice.
record somebody,
Yeah.
it's instantly uploaded to their database.
Well, because you know that guy that just got killed from like, I don't know if it was DoorDash or what it was, but
DoorDash.
his dad ordered him food and he didn't know it. So the guy comes up to him, he's like, he thought the guy was trying to rob his house. He didn't know his dad had ordered him food.
Shit.
Oh,
So
I
that's a
didn't
smart
know
idea.
about
Yeah, and he shot him.
Well, if you ever want a tattoo, you know where to come.
Yeah.
We're good. We're really good.
I was thinking that on the way here.
There's business cards right there, the black one in the front, and
Yeah.
you can look at all the social media on the back.
Alright, I was thinking that on the way here.
Yep.
I need some footprints on my back.
Well, we do Friday specials, and we do Friday specials on the piercings. So just follow us on Instagram, and you'll see all the stuff that we have.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
Be safe out there.
So there's what I say when anyone asks me why I'm wearing a GoPro. For safety. I mean, that's a reason too, also to put you on the internet. But for real, if something happens, like there's been so many things in the news, and I thought she was talking about where I don't want to get into details, but what she was saying, I haven't heard of that story before, but you know, there has been a couple other things in the news lately, which is like frightening. Like, we are vulnerable. We are very vulnerable. Like, any customer can plan anything. We have to follow their notes, and like yeah, this is a scary world these days. Like, they could have jumped me right inside there, you know. Like, I have pepper spray, I have my alarm thing. I don't carry it with me because I feel like the pepper spray is enough, and you know, it's a lot on my keys. But yeah, what he was saying with the one button and the cops can see what I see, like, that's some futuristic safety things right there. And it's sad, but like, we need that nowadays. We need that. We are so vulnerable out here. We do have to use our best judgment as to what is safe. Oh, I can't even go, it's red. As to what is safe and not safe for a drop-off. I just made that video about what happened in downtown Tampa where the girl was kidnapped. And I explain all these safety tools and features in the app that are right at our fingertips, and we need to always remember what to do next when something happens. Like, we need to know what our next move is. And I might even go back there. I've been looking for a tattoo place to go to because I got my son's footprints on the back of my shoulder like a month after he was born. My daughter, however, like, she's 6 years old. I don't have her footprints on my back yet. So I need to get that done, obviously. I'm about 6 years past when I did his. But yeah, I got their card. I might be going back there because they seemed really cool. Alright, I'm getting a Cracker Barrel order, 1.2 miles. It's $5. I really got to use the bathroom, so that's what I'm going to do when I go there. And I sat for probably 10 minutes. So this is just how it is right now. Alright, I'm getting a Cracker Barrel order, 1.2 miles. It's $5. I really got to use the bathroom, so that's what I'm going to do when I go there. And I sat for probably 10 minutes. So this is just how it is right now. Yes, for Christina.
Do you mind if I see your phone really quick?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, no problem.
Christina.
See, that's all I need. When we went through it, make sure everything was in there for them. So that and the drink.
Alright, thank you. I don't like how this mouthpiece is just exposed. So the coffee that I just said, I don't like the fact that it's not covered. A sticker or something. I need to buy my own stickers to put on top, you know, because one turn out of Cracker Barrel and it splashed everywhere, all over itself, all over the bag and my seats. I just gotta be careful. I was supposed to go straight. Are you kidding me?
Make a U-turn to stay on East State Road 60.
So worried about cleaning this up. Oh my god. Now she's asking me why I turned. It's like the next street up if I would have went straight. So she was watching me. Dang it. Alright guys, it's been a little while since I filmed that last clip. So what had happened was I decided to take my GoPro off, which was a good move because I felt like there was going to be some, you know, confrontation. I already had to explain to her that the coffee spilled. So I get up there, I push her little Ring doorbell, which I'm thinking, I hope I don't end up on TikTok or something. I push her doorbell, she comes out, and I'm explaining to her, she's just like staring at the coffee cup, and I'm like, this is how they gave it to me. Like, you seen the lid was the mouthpiece was exposed, and like even like Dunkin' or Starbucks, they don't do that. And I don't know, it's just a bad move on Cracker Barrel. I'm actually editing while I'm in the car line, and I'm explaining to her that, you know, when I got out of the plaza, it was like a big swoop drop off into the street, and the coffee spilled, and I got into the turn lane because I was focused on the coffee. And she's just like staring at the coffee. She's like, that was the only reason I ordered, for the coffee. It just fucked up my day. She was clearly a really tired mom. This was probably her only caffeine. I felt that. I was about to say, I could go pick you up another coffee. I was apologizing, and then she shut the door. I wanted to say, I'll go pick you up another coffee, because like at that point, like, I get it. I have been stuck home with the kids, not able to work. I mean, not able to leave the house, and you have no coffee. Like, that is your lifeline. I wanted to wait the solid hour to see if she took the tip off. She didn't. I still got the $3 tip. Anyways, I mean, I was already having like a rough morning, taking it easy, trying to get through, but I mean, maybe she was having an even rougher morning than I did, and then here I come with the coffee to save the day, and it spilled. I might have a tattoo being scheduled because I already need to get my daughter's footprints on me. Anyways, with all that being said, I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting in my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed or feel bad for me in any way. And consider hitting subscribe before you go. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.